In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to browse and try plugins using templates and tools. We're going to walk through a simple, reliable way to explore plugins and widgets and try them out on one of your files. This approach keeps things organized and makes it easy to see exactly how a plugin behaves before you commit to using it in your workflow. Start by heading to the templates and tools area of your workspace. Depending on your interface, this is typically located in the main navigation or sidebar. Think of templates and tools as your control center for extending what your project can do. It's where curated resources live, so you don't have to guess where to begin. Once you're in templates and tools, click on plugins and widgets. This section brings together add-ons designed to enhance functionality. Whether you're looking for automation, design helpers, data connectors, or interface components, opening this section ensures you're browsing items built to work smoothly with the environment you're already using. Next, click on See More Plugins. The initial view usually shows a handful of featured items, but the full library sits behind that See More button. Expanding the list gives you a broader set of options, including new releases and lesser-known tools that might be a perfect fit for a specific task. With the full list open, use search to find the plugins you want. Type in clear, goal-oriented keywords like image optimizer, form builder, or data visualizer. As you search, you'll see names, short descriptions, and sometimes ratings or update notes. These details help you quickly gauge whether a plugin aligns with what you need without diving too deep. When you found a promising option, click on Try In. This is the safe way to preview a plugin. Rather than changing your setup, it opens a controlled test flow so you can see how the plugin behaves in context. It's designed to give you a realistic feel for the experience without forcing any permanent changes. You'll then be prompted to choose a file. Pick something representative of your typical work so the test feels meaningful. If you're unsure, a small sample file or a copy of a project file works well because it loads quickly and highlights how the plugin interacts with actual content. After selecting the file, the trial session will launch and you can observe how the plugin handles your data, what options it presents, and whether its interface feels intuitive for you. That's the full process. Go to templates and tools, open plugins and widgets, expand with See More Plugins, search for what you need, click Try In, and choose a file. Follow these steps each time and you'll confidently evaluate plugins without guesswork.